Alright, we're at Miami Airport on a weekday. Let's take a look at Avis. I've got assigned rows to the left and the right. We'll just head over to the right here. Avis preferred section. And let's see what kind of cars they have over here. Got a Nissan, Kia, Toyota Hybrid. Looks like it might be an Avalon. Yeah, XLE Hybrid. Sunroof. Got a Kia, Range Rover, Toyota Camry. Got a Lexus. I don't see Lexus very often in the rental fleets. Let's take a look at this. It looks like it might even be brand new. Maybe not. No mileage is coming up. Keys are in it. You never know with her. It could be a couple of years old. The GX460. Got a GMC. Got a Genesis. Got a compact SUV Honda. Looks like Avis has got a Corvette and a Camaro over there. We got a Mustang. Got a Charger RT Hemi. Camaro convertible. Again, these are all. Actually, the signs are saying we're into budget here. 5-liter Mustang, V6 Camaro, Mazda SUV. Got a couple Mustangs here. Camaro hardtop base model. Mustang convertible, another Camaro. Mustang, a couple Mustangs here. That one's a 5-liter. A Jeep Wrangler. We got a Charger Hemi. Another Charger Hemi. Challenger Hemi. Looks like Avis has got a lot of cars jammed into the overflow or the return here and behind. This PT Cruiser, I don't think's for rent. Charger Hemi, Mustang convertible, Honda SUV, and another Charger Hemi. You can see all the cars in the overflow here. Yeah, we got another Mustang, a couple Jeeps, Camaro. This must be where they park all the sports cars and convertibles. Camaro, Mustang, Jeep. Another Mustang, bunch of Jeeps, Jeep Wranglers. All the Jeeps are hardtops. Yeah, they got a lot of Charger, a lot of these Charger RTs. A lot of Jeeps too. And we got a couple more sports cars. We got a Mustang, Camaro Mustang. In back, it looks like a bunch of minivans. I won't bother going down there, but we can kind of go back through the Avis preferred section here. Got a Hyundai, Nissan, got a Toyota, Range Rover, Honda, Genesis, got a Lincoln Corsair, Jaguar, Range Rover, VW, got a Range Rover, Honda Accord, got a Kia, Range Rover. Avis has got a lot of cars in compared to the other agencies. Kia, Nissan, VW, Jaguar, a couple Jaguars, an SUV, and a sedan, Hyundai. I think that's a Sonata, Nissan, Toyota RAV4. We got a Range Rover. We got a Chrysler 300 on the end here. And not that long. We go down aisles A and B here. We got a Honda, Kia, Toyota, another Hemi Challenger. This looks newer, Nissan, SUV, Toyota, Corolla, VW, Kia, Another Kia, Camry, Accord. Got a VW, another Kia, Corolla, Honda Accord Hybrid, another Kia, got a Chevy, a couple more Camrys, got a Malibu, there was a Hyundai there, Kia, VW, and just further down there, Avis and Budget pretty much share the same fleet, but that's just more budget cars down there. Similar. We got a Chrysler 300 here. We'll just do the rest of Avis. VW. Got a Ford Edge. Another Ford SUV. Mitsubishi. Toyota Prius. Another Jaguar. Got a Corolla. Another Ford, Mitsubishi, VW, Nissan, Mazda, Kia, Hyundai, a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I think it's probably a limited because it's got the sunroof. Got a Corolla, got a Mazda, Mitsubishi, Corolla, and this is a newer Toyota. I should probably know what this is. What is this? This is like CHR. Okay. Got a Chevy Malibu. Got a Ford Edge, Range Rover, Chevy Impala. We got a Nissan, and at the end of the road, I'm not sure if you can still hear me, we got an Infiniti Q50.